Hello everybody, and thanks for joining our channel. And today what we're going to do is review one of the toys that Santa got Miss Moon for Christmas. Yay! Alright, here it is. It is a My Cash Register. And let's see, we have a lot of things that's in the box. And what we're going to do is I'm going to let Miss Moon talk about it and tell you what it is. But before we start, I just want to let you see that it is for a 3-year-old and above. And let me take this out real quick. Oh, that fell out. Go ahead and take that out. Let's take everything out. And we'll tell everybody what we got in a second. Let's put that right there. And just full disclosure, if Santa was to bring this to you, it actually takes 3 AA batteries, and you have to use a screwdriver to get it open. So you need one of these. All right, so let's put the box away, and let's bring this bad boy in. Woohoo! All right, what does it come with, Ms. Moon?
It comes with food and a water bottle and some milk.
Let's lay it down so they can see that.
Okay. And we got cookies.
Yeah, it says delicious chip cookies. delicious chips cookies. Okay. It looks like they're butter cookies. That looks delicious. Yum, yum, yum. And what else does it come with?
Money.
And
Cash.
you got some credit cards.
Cards.
There's another one. And then you got some coins.
Yeah, coins and nickels.
And let's take a look at these real quick. It says a 50 cent. This is euro. That's what it comes with. Bam! Right there. Okay, go ahead and Miss Moon, and let's play with it, and we're going to talk about it while you do it. So what's the first thing you're going to do with this cash register?
It's supposed to look at this button.
Yeah, you're going to press it to open.
When you press it opens.
And then, oh wow, I love that sound. Well, what you going to put inside there? All that money, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is 50 cash.
It's 50. Let's turn it over.
It's 50 cash.
I'm going to place it right in there. 50.
This is 100 cash.
Okay. That's 150.
And this is 500.
Oh wow. 650. And what's the last one?
And this is 25.
$675. Oh my God. Woo! And you have the coins. What's these?
This is 20.
You notice anything about those coins?
That
They go up in
number?
yeah, they go up increments of 5. So the first one here is
5.
yeah,
This
5
is
cents.
5 cents.
Uh-huh. 10.
This is 10 cents.
So that's
And
15.
this is 15 cents.
That's 30 total. What's 30 plus 20?
50.
Correct. Let's go ahead and put that on in there.
This is 20.
Yeah, so a total of 50 cents. So what's 50 plus 50? It's $1.
$1.
Yeah, it's 100 when you add it, but you got to make sure to put the decimal on there behind the 1. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And let's go ahead and close it on up. All right. So, let's see these credit cards. Remember, people, got to be smart with your credit cards. You need your credit cards. It's already signed and everything on the bag. Isn't that something? All right, let's put the bank cards to the side. And let's pretend like I'm going to the store and I bought all of these vegetables and all of this, and you're the cash and you're supposed to bring it up. So I'm gonna put all this on the scanner and you're gonna ring it up. How do you ring up that? You look for the barcode and you press the button, you go. Oh wow, it even makes a sound. Let's put it right here. I want to buy that milk too. This is box milk. Powdered milk. Okay, and I have a water bottle here. I want to buy that too. And then I have these fruit. I need you to scan my fruit for me, ma'am. How do you do it?
You put this on
And it's gonna weigh it, yeah. Oh wow, okay. Let's weigh everything. Wow, this is fun. Let me do one. Go ahead. All right, let me go ahead and put my fruit back in my basket while you go ahead and get my total. What does those buttons do on there?
They can make sound.
Go ahead and press them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What do these buttons do?
The hot one
Hello, welcome.
Oh wow, okay.
and the second one,
You are in shopping center.
Okay, what's the last one do?
the last one with the hand, do
What do you want to buy?
Oh wow, so it really talks to you when you play. What does the credit card do when you mash it?
you have to mash it down here.
Oh, I'm paying for my credit. Okay. Is it have enough money on there? Okay. Can I have my card back? Thanks, ma'am. So, how much did all this cost? You didn't even. Did you have see the numbers? You would have to enter in something if it didn't show up. What does this button do?
You don't want to use it.
Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. So that's what we do with this cash register that Santa gave us. So I got a little, let me take a look at it real quick. On the front of it, you notice the only thing that I really wish they would have did was actually have this a working cash register, because they do have those. I had one when I was a kid. It actually worked and actually printed tickets. And that's the only thing that I wish that it did. Otherwise, it's a nice little cute little toy. And I'm gonna scan. That's $1.35. So this is the cash register that we have reviewed here for you today. And how do you like it?
It's wonderful. I always dreamed of a cash register in real life that I can actually win at the shop.
Now we can play shopping for real. Well, that's all the time that we have today, and I'm so glad you're here to join with us while we play with our cash register that Santa gave us for Christmas. And until next time, bye.
Bye.
Whee. That's mine. Oh, uh-oh.
Thanks for watching our video. Also, like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, see you later.